What's going on, everyone? Get another hard reset. We're doing the AT&T Vista today. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset on the phone, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. Also, if you guys haven't yet, subscribe. We have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. But let's get into this one. So we want to make sure that it's off, and in this case it is. And you have your volume up, volume down, and power. And we want to hold volume up and power at the same time. So I'm going to start off by holding volume up and then holding power. And once the phone turns on, you can let go of power, but keep holding volume up. And then it gets us to this no command screen. And to get past this, to get into the actual recovery, what we want to do is hold power and tap the volume up. And then let go of both buttons relatively quickly. But then when we're here, we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Oops. Sorry, I'm trying to get this thing to focus a little better. There we go. Hit the power button and confirm. Power button again. And now it's deleting. Oh, now it's done. And now we can either reboot or power off. And in this case, I'm just going to power it off. But that is how we do a hard reset on a AT&T Vista. If you guys have any questions, just drop a comment. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.